Trending News JA. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.
Welcome to the channel. Be sure to like and subscribe. Now we all know Rosalee and GX kick off once more. So Cutty Line forward go link GX and the two of them did a play a live match. So then did the side and side basically. And then boom, here comes Rosalee. In the background I try to par with Cutty Line and ask him some questions and thing, you know. I'd make some interaction, but seem as if GX never liked the facts of Rosalee in him space, which, you know, Uno come out and talk about co-parenting and things, so me don't know all of a sudden GX did have a problem with Rose there in the space. Rose not come to talk to GX still, you know. But nonetheless, GX I say, oh, move from here, so move from space. Rosalee, you know, have a right to say a government road. She depend and she not provoke him, but you know, the other side I say Rosalee came beside Cutty Line because he know said that I got irritate GX. You see it ends the argument start. Now you can clearly hear in the video where GX get mad and I say, oh, sickness if you push her over this, so make sure go over fear part. You see it stop forward in my circle and I try to, you know, irritate my soul.
Call out me and take a circle. You know what circle? Yeah, for that town I'm boring. Yeah, for that town I'm boring, you know.
Nobody did ever shoot. They're not giving up. Them just there. They're not money gun chat.
Chat, use the chipper, please. First give chipper.
Give me something now. One money gun?
First give chipper chat.
Please. No. I put you line. I'm upside down and the line. Warmer! Come here! Me not broke like some girl. And she can't buy gas in there.
Move her up now.
You look fat.
It must feel like I see him ball game. Kill you that I see him ball game. Go one side, man. Go buy gas put in a vaccine.
You see? When you have fuck stinky girl, make sure them have money.
Yo, move out now, man. Move out the top, man. I'm not gonna say it again, you know.
When you have fuck some stinky girl, click one. Over there, some yard there. Over there, some yard there.
You put her over a yard, man.
Over there, some yard there.
Put her over a yard.
Shed belongs to my family, I move.
Put her over a yard.
I can't move, I ask price that. I'm on Government Street.
Yo, push her over.
Yo.
That me just, so you mean by push over way? That me just bumbo clot say. Yo, push her over there, so.
Nobody with that.
Push her over there, so. Push her over there, so.
Nobody with that.
Push her over there, so. What you mean by push over way? That me just say I wanna go. What you feel like, say, girl? Yo, big brother. Push her over there, so.
Me nah move a bumper pussy blood.
Yo, hey, brother, move over this, man.
Move blood clot from before move over this. Hey boy, move. Move over some blood clot before you move. Move.
Hold it down.
You got blood clot over this. You righty, move. Some blood clot before me. You righty. You righty. Move. I'm a spit fire. I touch me now. If a bat touch me.
Draw me out, you know. She draw me out, you fuck. Bitch, you come back in a scheme, a different ball game. And I must not.
When I did, she get access to Pokemon on your area and come in your party. One time I did something like this, you have to look for
Rose then further came online later to clear up all what took place, and she dropped a bombshell. She said Drake's actually grape or used to have some interaction or used to have some affair with a young person. You get me? But Rosalee, oh, you know this all these years, and I chew you and Drake's break up make you now come and say this. You see it not look good on your side neither. So me I gonna make you watch, listen, tell me what you think about the whole situation, and leave a like and subscribe in.
Just get at all of a sudden. They are on up and down like a take PL for mascot. Me not see you, me not trouble you. Me not see you, me not trouble you, me not fast with you. But if I look for my pitney and I talk to cut the line, and you say you're not eager, if I take up battle, if I take up board, boy, you go lick ooh. You brighty? And they want to come, when I done you want to come, you come go like say me come. You know I'm going to come spin the narrative and me go fast with him. Me lick you? Me lick you? Me not lick you. I know you're there at prison. So I know you over here like your things. I know you're there at prison. You Jakes. I will pass it me if you just come top boy, you know, all the while. I know you're there at prison. I know. You're there. I know Miguel got prison, I figure. I grind look girl too when she's 14. Yo. Nah, silly. That's why I hate you. Think me gonna like you? I mean, know a long time I'm hold it down. So I don't know. So look at me. No know all rotten mouth. Me don't know all rotten mouth. Me don't know all rotten mouth. Dirty right you will make up like girl come talk about. Why Rosalee don't go on back to Jakes and make? Why Rosalee don't go on back to Jakes and leave Akim alone where I use her? Right you Jakes are grind my stuff from she's 14. I'm a whole family. All my mama. Go back to war. I'm glad my boss have the court case there. I'm glad my boss have the prison sentence over me in her ears. The man I do many things them years. 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 When video leak out, because they miss up a Miguel and them 3, 4, 5 and 8 some. My name in the code book. No ramp with me, you know that boy. My name in the code book. In the long book of life. It has to rest in her. My first name, my last name, my first name, my last name, my initial in the great book. The one of them would have got prison. My sister 14, Pitney. Them quick for influence. Jakes are one big long time stinking man. My auntie baby father one long time stinking man. The one of them are germs. I've the little girl up there grind her out and a freak her out and a get money and a pimp her out. Jakes are work with them at the tile work and get involved in the freakiness. Yeah. Yeah. All type of shit. Una drink Mali, una lick, una bite, una chew, una do batty fucking. That old germs so we see line off bugger. Where? But one back. See me a mascot, they fuck me stuff and she a 14 dog shit. And what they shot, what they she so long and tell her say. She so long I tell her say. What they just so long I tell you, them hide it, Andrew. Them hide it. Them hide it. Them hide it. Them hide it. Andrew, the whole of them hide it. Watch her.